Has your little brother or sister or anyone ever gone through your stuff without asking? Yeah, me too. So today, we're building the sensor vault, a box that catches them in the act. Here's the problem. You have a box. Maybe it's got your favorite snacks, maybe it's your drawings, maybe it's just your stuff. Now, how do you know if someone opened it while you were at school? You can't, unless you build something smarter than a lock. That's exactly what engineers do. They don't just lock things, they build systems that think. And today, you are the engineer. Before we build, let's meet our team. Every good security system has different jobs, just like a real team. The beeper, the alarm. Loud, proud, and impossible to ignore. The less than module, the rule setter. It decides how close is too close. The proximity sensor, the guard at the door, it feels when something gets too close. The junction, the traffic controller, it splits the signal, sends it two ways at once. The light sensor, the lookout. The moment light enters a dark box, it knows. The greater than module, the final judge. It asks, is there enough light to trigger the alarm? The LED, the bright white light. Because every alarm needs a light show, the power module, this is the boss, gives everyone energy to do their job. 8 modules, 1 mission. Let's start building. Here's what most people forget about electronics. The order you connect things changes everything. We're doing this one a very specific way. We start with the alarm end first, the beeper, then the less than module, then the proximity sensor. This is our distance zone. If anyone gets too close to the vault before even opening it, you've been warned. Now, right in the middle, the junction. This is the heartbeat of the whole build. This one module takes one signal and sends it in 2 directions at the same time. That's how our vault can watch for 2 threats distance and light all at once. On the other side of the junction, we've got our light zone. Light sensor, greater than module, and the LED. The moment someone lifts the lid, light pours in, the sensor catches it, and the LED flashes the alert. And finally, the power module clicks in at the end to bring the whole loop to life. The vault is armed. Alright, it just looks like a normal box now, right? The second that lid moved, light hit the sensor. The junction pushed the signal through. The greater than module fired the LED. The alarm screamed. From lid opening to full alarm, less than 1 second. Your stuff is safe. But here's the thing, we want you to remember. You didn't just build an alarm today. You looked at a real problem. Someone keeps opening my stuff, and you used logic, sequencing, and engineering to solve it. That's not a kid's activity. That is exactly what real engineers do every single day. So the next time someone says, it's just a toy kit, show them the vault. We'll see you in the next build. Until then, keep your vault locked and keep building. Identify a real-life application of this project in your environment and tell us in the comments. Excited to explore more? Register your child for our Basics of Electronics course at Maker's Place. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more educational videos